Gloria AI settings. Customize your profile. Welcome to Gloria AI. Today we will walk you through our settings section. Settings is where you can change and customize your profile, business information, chat, install Gloria on your website, upgrade your plan, use your API key, or integrate her with other systems. Personal profile. This is where you put information about the admin of Gloria, which our team will use to contact you easily. You can change your name, email, and password, or even delete your account. You can modify your notifications and choose the users you want to be notified via email or SMS. If you want to receive all notifications, you can choose between flagged conversation, live chat request, new conversation, or new lead. We strongly recommend you leave all activated. Business information. Business information is public, and Gloria will use it to provide to your customers or leads your company's contact details, like your business name, phone, email, preferred language, and website. In the business description, you need to be as detailed as possible, since it is the core of what Gloria will know about your company. If you have a physical location or you want your business address to be public, you can put it here as well. Chat customization. Here you can customize Gloria to match your brand and style. In the avatar section, you can change your picture, name, and the welcome message bubble you want to display to your customers. Optionally, you can remove the watermark and make Gloria read aloud messages by default. Also, set the position in which you want her to appear on your website. In messages, you get to configure the suggested initial questions to your visitors. You can add them directly from your FAQs. On welcome messages, you can set the first message you want to send to the user entering the chat. Also, you can write the not found messages. When something goes wrong, Gloria will let your visitors know. Exclusions are where you can choose to manage the display of Gloria on certain pages. According to your preferences, you can allow her to show or hide on specific URLs of your website. Other configs allow you to request a user's email before starting the chat and also create personalized messages to do so. Website installation. You can install Gloria on different platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Shopify. Also, if you want, you can get an HTML custom-coded website in case you choose it to insert it manually. Once you select the platform, see the instructions and the video to install her properly. Billing. This screen provides a clear and concise visualization of key aspects related to your account, and here you can switch plans according to your needs. API. With your API key, you can integrate Gloria with your CRM or other platforms you already use. Check out the endpoints to get more details. Connections. Here is where you can set or update the different applications that Gloria will use to answer to your customers, like WhatsApp or 11 Labs to activate your own voice. Explore the rest of our documentation for even more in-depth tutorials and step-by-step guides. Visit iamgloria.com/docs for more information.